Today I'm going to show you guys how I set my hair before I go to sleep with hair balm from Hair Story, and I really want to focus on just this product, so it's all I'm going to use in this tutorial. So fresh out the shower, in damp hair, I take one pump, emulsify it into my hands, and then I'm just going to run it through my hair with my fingers. If you want to take it a step extra, which I like to do, I like to brush the product through my hair because it gives me full distribution and good saturation. Next, we're going to brush our hair into the place that it lives. So I part my hair in the middle, so I'm just going to brush it down the middle, straight down. I kind of want to get it set because I'm going to sleep on it. Once it's brushed into place, you can go ahead and scrunch it. I find that using my palms to push my hair up against my scalp and holding it for 5 seconds at a time gives me a more defined wave. And slowing down and doing this with more intention just kind of gives me more of the shape that I'm desiring. It's a pretty simple regimen. I don't use a cap or a bonnet, I just sleep as I normally would. This is me waking up the next morning. All I did was round brush my bangs. I have a tutorial video on that if y'all want to see that, but I just wanted to focus on the balm and what it can do for you if you just use it before you go to sleep. It could change your game. Hit me up if y'all want them discounts.